visiting our website. We hope you will choose NASIC for all your bespoke security needs. Here are a few reasons why you're safer with us. NASIC uncovers all aspects of security and safety equipment. NASIC always seeks the highest level of industry standards and vetting to prove we are serious about being at the forefront of our industry. An unrivaled range of quality equipment from the leading UK and international manufacturers that means we can offer the latest and best technology whilst at the same time providing great value. Most of our clients have been with us for decades and range from international banks, police forces, hospitals and airports to local businesses and homeowners. Contact our expert team today and find out how NASIC can help you.